How to create a YouTube channel for a personal brand? Creating a YouTube channel for a personal brand is a great way to share your ideas, expertise, and personality with a wider audience. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Sign into YouTube and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then, click on the gear icon to go to your YouTube setting. In the left menu, click on the Create a New Channel button. Select Use a Business or Other Name and enter the name you want to use for your channel. This could be your name or a name that reflects your personal brand. Choose a category that best describes your channel and click Create. Customize your channel by adding a profile picture and banner. You can also add a description of your channel and links to your social media accounts and website. Start creating and uploading content to your channel. This could be videos, vlogs, tutorials, or any other type of content that aligns with your personal. Promote your channel through social media and other channels to help attract subscribers and views. You can also consider collaborating with other creators or using YouTube's paid promotion options to reach a wider audience. By consistently creating and sharing high-quality content and promoting your channel, you can build a strong following and establish yourself as an authority in your field or niche.